Want to transfer your Rogers internet service to someone else? It's generally a straightforward process. First, the current account holder needs to contact Rogers through their app, website, or by calling 1-800-ROGERS. You'll need to provide the name and contact information of the person taking over the account. Both parties will need to provide valid identification, like a government-issued ID. Rogers will then verify the account details to prevent fraud and get consent from the new owner. Keep in mind that transfers aren't instant. They usually take 5 to 10 business days to process. Also, make sure there are no outstanding balances or disputes on the current account, as this can delay or prevent the transfer. When transferring Rogers internet ownership, there are fees to consider. There's a standard administration fee of around $50 CADs as of 2024, which covers the processing costs. This standard administration fee of around $50 CAD as of 2024 covers the processing costs. Additional fees may apply if you're ending a contract early or need to return equipment. Transfers are allowed for both residential and business accounts, but not always for prepaid or promotional plans. Verification processes ensure everything is handled securely. The new owner assumes all responsibilities, including the remaining contract terms and any outstanding debts. This transfer shifts full accountability to the new account holder. An important trend is Rogers' push towards digitization, with more transfers done online. Projections include automated AI assistants and zero-touch transfers via digital IDs. Experts suggest these processes are competitive but could be more user-friendly and reduce fees. Be sure to check with Rogers directly for the most up-to-date fee information and specific plan eligibility, as it can change.